So there, this is time for wrap up, and thank you very much for the very great talks today. And we share many things here. So finally, I'd like to pass the microphone to my co-chair, Toshihiro Hanawa from University of Tsukuba for the closing remarks.
Okay. So yeah, thank you for attending the IXPUG workshop to the end. And so as Professor Bock mentioned in the opening remarks, so IXPUG meeting is usually scheduled about 5 times in a year, right? And including both in ISC and SC, and also this HPC Asia timeframe. However, due to COVID-19 pandemic, so the several meetings will be skipped. So next IXPUG conference will be held in the autumn timeframe, but currently the host organization is not decided yet. And also that we hope that conference will do on-site if possible. So please check it out the IXPUG webpage for the next meeting. And so we will have IXPUG on the next HPC Asia 2022 in Kobe. And so please subscribe to the IXPUG members group mailing list. So anyway, so thank you very much. And so let's conclude this workshop.
So thank you very much. So finally, we are preparing to distribute all the videos and the slide on the IXPUG website. And all the speakers, please send the slide as Hanawa-san mentioned, if you're not ready yet. So let's share that knowledge later. So this is the end of the workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.